see him soon. That's just extra.
I forget how to Wait,
So tomorrow we have this, and then Friday we do. I was like, no, I don't like this.
You have.
Lightning sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
Richard, go ahead and first. I'll walk you. Four devices.
There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we continue on. And that's all There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from real trips all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy thoughts here. And no flash pictures of these experience of life.
Have a seat if you like. It's going to be about like 2 minutes.
I will lower it for you. And heed this warning.
The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
We will proceed in just a moment. We will proceed in just a moment.
And witches, where will you dwell? Give us a hint by ringing a bell.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
As a
Just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Be sure to that certificate.
Here's the fun kind of scary. It's fake.
We need to go potty. Get out of that mansion.
See.
Yeah, Sarah? Huh? Yeah, Sarah. Is Oliver gonna be here? No, it's just there. She's gonna go make it.
I can't see it. It's all there. It's like a dark screen.
My son was like,
Settings. You see if something happened to it. Setting in dark screen. I know. I could tell.
I didn't think it was that hard, but I guess